Hello and welcome to 763 Union Street. This is a beautiful building in a fantastic location. You can see Coit Tower from the exterior of the building. It's located walking distance to the heart of North Beach. You can even walk to Fisherman's Wharf. Okay, so your call box is to the right. You enter through secured gates. And the unit that we're going to be touring is a first floor flat, which is one above ground. Okay, so you enter straight ahead. This is a light-filled unit, and immediately to the right, you have a very large living room. Decorative fireplace, parquet wood floors, pocket doors. This is the view out the window here. It's a very quiet building, very quiet location, yet walking distance to many fabulous conveniences and shops, restaurants, etc. Okay, so here is the first bedroom. Both bedrooms are located off the street, and both have good-sized closets. So this goes all the way back here, and you have a shelf for additional storage. Gas heat. Here is the second bedroom. Again, located off the street. This is the closet for this bedroom. Pretty good sized. Okay, this is like a railroad style flat. So it is long. Everything is located on the right side. Full bathroom, bathtub, and shower combination. This is an immaculate unit. Good size shower head. It is very nicely done. And you have shelving on the right side there. Here is the kitchen. This is a very large eat-in kitchen. Granite counters. You have your dishwasher, gas range, hood, lots of cabinet and counter space. There's your refrigerator, plenty of room for a table as well as a kitchen island. And what I love about this place is you have an unfinished back area here, which you can use and be creative with what you do with this space. Down the door here is where the laundry is. There's shared laundry for the building. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.